Morning traders, good morning everybody. We're live today. It's Tuesday and it's Tuesday the 2nd of 2026. This is not a financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. And everything we do here is just for paper trading. Here we go. This is what happened yesterday, okay? I was gonna put in a position right here, and I went on my business and I put my stop right there. Okay. Came back this morning. Actually, it's recovering right now. Came back this morning and Google gapped down. 363. It was even 361 a minute ago. So gap down all the way to here. And I had my stop and it should have triggered, but overnight, I guess it didn't trigger. My risk was 230. Now I'm down 1,800 bucks on this position. Well, I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna leave it running. See if we recover some more. Because the gap is ginormous and might shoot back up halfway or whatever. So we'll see. So that's the surprise. I forgot this position actually. I should have closed it. I completely forgot it. What I'm looking at is Netflix today for our morning trade. It's looks pretty tight. We'll see which way it's gonna break. And as you see, tight. And this is the strategy that we use every day. Every morning we use this strategy. You can watch my videos and you can see the results for yourself. So this is what we're looking for. We trade the 2 minutes and we're looking for, and we also have the 21 SMA, the 8 SMA, and the 200 SMA on the chart. And what we look for is a tight accumulation. And that's what you're seeing here. See this? That's beautiful right here. That is beautiful. You can do it right here if you like. That's what you're looking for. Mark the high. That's a little bit too far back. I only like to go back 45 minutes. And that's the low right here. Okay, now we are looking for either a bar down or a bar up. If the bar is red and closes red and it gets taken out by another red, we continue with it down. If the bar came out green and take off all this, you needed to take off all this. And it'll be a full-size green bar, good size bar like this. See how this green bar took out everything? You see how this red bar took out? That's what you want to see here. And then another bar comes in after the first 2 minutes of the day finish, or 150 or whatever. If you see that bar is still solid, you can take it in, take it long or short. And you let it run like 3, 4, 5 bars, depending how aggressive the market is. I only saw Netflix. I didn't see anything else. We have 1 minute for the open. We already opened. So it opened below. If the bar is green, you don't do nothing, okay? If the bar is green, you don't do nothing. You want it to turn red. So this is open green in the opposite direction. So if it rips through here, it will take it long. If it turns red, it go this way. So we got liquidated right here. You see it? We were supposed to lose 230. That's a good lesson actually too. Do not count on your stop to be hit in the morning. Good morning. Do not count on your stops to get hit where you need them to be. My risk was 230. They closed me at $1,000. So a lot of people says put your stop, but hopefully when they do the market 24 hours, you might run into liquidity issues like overnight prices, but if the markets start running 24 hours, it'd be much better. You can take long position like Forex. Here we go. It turned red. I'm going to short this right now. I went ahead and shorted 500 shares. Let's see if they gave it to us. I'm going to reload. Go back to Netflix right here. Right, here we go. We have 1,000 shares on Netflix short. We'll be taking profit along the way. $200. We're going to take some profit right here. 275, 285, 385, 400. And take some profits. Take profits. As simple as this. In 2 minutes, you make your money run off. The problem with that, you have to reload every morning for you to show your executions, just in the morning. Where is Netflix? Jesus Christ. Oh, my positions are here. Still going down. We're down to 600 shares. I'm going to put my stop at break even right here. I'm going to take some more profit. We're left with 200 shares. Damn. Damn. I'm going to take one off right here. And I'm going to move my stop. It sure does weird things, man. Still hemorrhaging. Good, good. What the hell? Why did it switch? Oh my God. Look, about another one. Trying to close the whole position. I didn't want to do it. Failed. Sell. Sell. I guess I overclosed my position already. Okay, it's functioning now. So that's simple as this. You see how it dumped? In the 2 minutes, you can count 3 bars. Look, instant. It gave you from 85.56 to 84. So about $2. That's not bad. Just the massive delays on this thing. I want out. I don't want to stay in it anymore. Buy. 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 It's a bit overextended. Alright, it did execute. Now it bought, sell, sell, sell. Jesus Christ, I have no idea what's going on. Okay. How beautiful looks on the 5 minute. Oh, beautiful execution. That's what you look for. Mark the high, mark the low. Breaks below, you wait the first 2 minutes. Confirm. Boom. You think of this line right here, this was green. And red took out green right here. What do? You short. Instant money. Instant money. Now this is a ginormous bar, so it might pull back to the 50%. You break this bar into threes. See how this is gonna go. Most likely it's gonna pull to that even number, the 84. That's where all the stops at. I mean, the profit takes. See something else, like something catches my eye. Strategy gap way down. Apple in the trap zone. Nvidia is still pumping, but it's a little bit further out. I hate this because usually like it's kind of mushy. Palantir, no. We can short Palantir right now. Or okay. So I gotta sell it right now. Usually when it hits that 200 hard like this, it cracks it. Gives you $1, maybe 50 cents, something like that. Let's see if we can get to. It shattered that 200. It broke it. See if we can get some monies out of this play. Okay, reject. See. You gotta be quick on this one. Come on, a little bit more, a little bit more. More, 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 more. More. Here we go. We're going to take 300 off. Still have 300. Usually like gives you that bar and it pulls back 2 bars and it continues down, but okay, I've seen this scenario too many times. Go hard. Come on, Palantir. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Here we go. We're going to take 100 off. Dump a little bit more. Go to that even number. Let's go. 14, 10. There we go. Beautiful. Took another one off. I'll put my stop at break even here. Okay, I'm making $82 right here. I'm going to take 25 shares off. Oh man, missed it. I'm going to leave my stop at break even, see if we can squeeze some more juice out of this play. I'm looking to short Netflix again if it shoots back up here. And there's a color change. I'm going to short it again. I'd like the Palantir to hit this line right here. I mean, Netflix. I don't want it to drop right now. I need it to go back up here. Somewhere around that 50%. Stay down. Don't take this dump more all the way to here. And Palantir, when it grabs in, it just dumps. But usually you get two bars, like two green bars up, and then it, boom, shoots back down. If I can get another dollar out of this, if we can squeeze another dollars out of it, like 152, that would be nice. We're up like 500 bucks so far. I don't want it to go down right here. I need it to go back up a little bit more. Got taken out here on Palantir. See if we can see something else. Ooh, look at that. Disney. I was looking at that in the morning too. I like more aggressive stocks. All right, let's see this one right here, AMD. Kind of dumped, shot back up, wiped off this bar. If it takes this bar right here again, we'll short it. If it goes above this, we can go long. But I want to see it break this right here, we'll short. Of course, AMD is a beast. You can short 100. There we go, it's confirming down. It's kind of tight range. You see it right here? It's very tight range. If it takes that red, we're shorting, buddy. There we go, sell. And will let me, oh, here we go. Beautiful. Let's see. Catch it right when it freaking dump below that bar right here. Okay, look who's in control. This whole red bar get wiped off. If it goes above it, we start looking for longs. Let's see what happens. Damn it, Netflix, I wanted it to go up here. You can take Netflix to the new low right here. I missed it. That would have been my entry right here. I'm late. Okay, so they took liquidity right here for all the shorts. They took them out. Let's see if this short's gonna work now. They took these stops out. If you're like, a lot of people shorted this right here. The stops are right here, so they took some of the stops out. Let's see. Look at that Netflix. It's gonna break this bar right here to the new low. Man, that would have been an extra 400, 300 bucks. I was gonna dump 1,000 on it. How quick you got your money. Boom, right there. I want to put profit take right here. Okay, here go AMD. Let's see. All right, this move is over with. And I missed that one too, talking about this. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna go long on AMD. Try and drop my average. Sucker's so expensive. We're making $100. I'm gonna take 125 shares right here. I always take at $100. I take some off. See if it pulls to that 16 right there. Might do it. You make $356 on this play. There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Touch it, touch it. That's still one right here. There we go. We should have hit it. Take another one. Boom. We're back to 2050 right here. So we're up $1,000 almost. See how it does here. This is lick 2. Might pull all the way to 82.50. And it touched it, just annihilated that 16 and continued. Oof. I wish I left a runner. 17, 18. Jesus Christ. Wow. There's a new high right here. Took everything out. Let's see on the 2-minute TMD. It hit that sell. You want to be careful right here. This might never recover and it keeps dumping and dumping and dumping. You want to be very careful around here. It's going to pop, but it might not create a new high. See how this is going to play out. Might pull back to that 8. That was an aggressive move. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Failed to create a new high. Completely took this bar out. This is very critical right here. a lot of people got trapped right here. They took this long right here. Let's see. Takes that again. It holds it. Might be good. But we needed to take out that red. You take that red and hold. This red right here needs to be taken out. Tells us who's in charge. Okay. Let's see now. All right. I'm gonna take AMD long again. Like that 20 target. We go. A little bit more. Fire up a little bit more. Wow. I'm gonna take one off right here. You can squeeze. See if we can squeeze $251 out of it. I'm gonna add okay. 150 shares. Add a little bit more if they give it to me. Okay, good. Right there at 50% rejected. See if it fires back up on the 2 minute of that 8 SMA. See it at break even, I'm gonna reduce a little bit. Take that red, please. Oh my God. Okay. Very aggressive. Let's see. Shouldn't break that bar right here. See if it fires back up. Momentum still green. I'm hoping to retest the high. That's usually what happens. This play right here, boom, shoots up. I'm hoping that's not the retest right here. We'll see. reduce couple my position a little bit. It's okay. Got 100 shares running. Taking a little now. See if it's gonna pull back right here at the 8. Okay, I'm gonna start adding here. Till I maxed out. So beautiful. Hopefully we'll get back to here and break even. It's right on the 8 on the 5 minutes. And it's on the 20 on the 2 minute. You can get a test of the 8 right here. Should have juice to push it up here. Get rid of this $380 loss. I don't want it to break this line right here. Let's fire back to that 8. 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Yeah, yeah. Go green, go green. Damn, that ate time to move. See how aggressive this bar will be. There we go. Fire up more. Fire up to that 8. Hopefully it does a retest. Got crushed. Um, it sliced through that 200 like crazy, man. Have that aggressive number right here. This is the super trend line. That's where the trend started. Here, we don't want to get broken. Hoping for a 2-bar pullback. Okay, it turned red. It broke that super trend. That's the psychological level right here. Let's see. Get that pullback. That's hoping for you. You need to retest that right here, that line, sometimes. Let's see if it's going to do it. If it recovers right here, we'll sell it. futures. You should pull a recovery on this. Yeah. Give us a breather. There you go. He took all the liquidity, all the stops, everything got completely destroyed. Pull back to here then. Let's see now. I was hoping for more of a aggressive pullback. Hopefully we get it to that 200. Gotta liquidate some of the position at the 200. I kind of break even right now. Extra $2 right here. There's no way it's going to go back to here, but it might go back to here. Take some of that off. reduce one here. I added just in case it goes back to that 200 right here. Take some out right here. Yeah. Going short AMD. Reverse position. This is a fat bar right here. Took out all that green. Looks like it's pretty aggressive. short have been confirmed. Oh my God. I'm back $64. No worries, we're gonna get that money back.
Order filled. 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 Order rejected. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I need that AMD to collapse. Because it looks like it's targeting that 200 still. There we go. That bar right here just... That was aggressive bar right here, man. Oh, that's gonna flush all the way to here. This one needs to collapse right here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Be right back, guys. I gotta go to the bathroom. Hopefully this thing will go down for sure. Or we exit out of it. AMD still a short. AMD still a short. Guys, notice I need to work on my stops. Like I made $1,000 today. I made 1,200 yesterday because I didn't control my stop right here, and also start hoping and hoping and hoping. Just psychologically, I got melted down, and they took my money. We're down $64 profit. I should have pre-made my stop, and it just completely reversed the whole freaking move. I kept hoping and hoping and hoping while I'm seeing solid red bars. Like the greens are so short and so small, just telling us that the sellers are in control on this play. Okay, I'm gonna reduce a little bit here. Just in case this thing's gonna push to that 20 right here. It's gonna take its time after all this, like gone up, went down. Now it's accumulation here. Just gonna exit this. Let's look for something else. It just already messed up with my head, so. Let's leave it with the sucker in. Oh man, we stayed in that Palantir short. I would have produced $5. I'm gonna call it a day, admit my losses, rethink why my psychology is so freaking screwed up. Pulled in 1,000, end up with $2,000 loss today. The reason being, hoping. This is a good long right here. Might take 1,000 on it. So that's what it is. Video goes down, drags everything with it. Might take Robinhood long right here. Stop right here. I'm gonna get that money back today, hopefully. This Robinhood trade. Go back green. One thing for sure, like if you're losing on a stock, don't get stuck on it. For some reason, you start losing more and more and more. It's just like I got fixated, hypnotized, whatever you call it. See how these green bars are solid, fat. that is. I'm not going to answer it. This one needs to rip through that freaking bar right there. Needs to rip through that freaking red light. There you go. That's not good. Let's see if it holds. All right, guys. I'll let you know. I've been for an hour, 44 minutes. So we're just going to finish this trade here. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how this trade goes. Hopefully we'll close green today. There we go. I'm going to buy some more of the let me have it. No. Ooh, I missed it. I love me over 1,100 shares, so that's good enough. We're going to sell as it comes back up. Take some profits. All right, if it goes to break even, I'm going to reduce a little bit. If you're looking at it right now, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts. Nothing happened. Used to shoot above that 20. Gonna reduce, reduce, reduce. Gonna reduce more. 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 Let's see how it's gonna play out. It takes that red that right here, might take it longer. Okay. Out of right now, looks like the short in charge. I'm still hopeful with this fat green bar. If it gets taken out, we're continuing down. Okay. There we go. Let's see. Okay, we're going to take a log. Stop right here. All depends on this bar how aggressive it is. It's pretty aggressive. If it gets to here, I'll move this. Put my profit take right here.
Between you and me, my partner is having head to the.
There we go. That's the fake out right here. Right, we're going to reverse this. It looks like it's a sideways. It's just sideways. The market went to sleep. Hopefully we get another red. Aggressive red. Come on, a fat red. All right, guys, I'm going to call it a day. I'll let you know what happens. Very disappointed in myself. That's our learning curve anyway. So we were making money and we just lost it all. All right, guys, have a good day. We'll be back at it tomorrow. That's the learning curve of trading.